Hello everyone, welcome back to Cynthia's channel. Today I'm going to show you this house here in Rebero, just right next to the main road. As you can see, we are right next to the main road near Sawa City, or even Simba here in Rebero. And this house is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, dining area, kitchen, sitting area, a nice cave that can be used as a gym or maybe a family lounge. We have a big parking space. As you can see from here, it's just a very big parking space. We have gardens like here, and also another garden behind the house. So we are going to go down there and I'm going to show you in details how the house is. But first, let me tell you the price. This house, to rent it for a month, it's only $1,500 per month. So this is how it is. It's here in Rebero. If you don't know, Rebero is one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Rwanda, where it's easy to access other parts of Kigali. And you have the best view of Kigali, because on this side we have Nyamirambo, as you can see, and also here we have other parts of Kigali like Vision City and also Gikondo. And on the other side we can see it's the downtown of Kigali. Let me try to show you that. Yes, so that side is in the downtown, so the place is quite beautiful here on the road. So if you're interested, you can let us know in the comment section, or you can reach out to the contact in the description box. So let's go in details and I'll show you how the house is. So from here we are going to go down, because this is the house we are going to see, which is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and a half. We have a nice dining area, sitting room, kitchen, storage, and also a cave space where you can use as a gym or a family lounge, and a nice garden like this side and also on the other side. And we also have a housekeeper's house outside. So this is how it is. We are going to go inside to show you in details how the house is. And yeah, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this one. So if you're interested, let us know in the comment section. Okay, you can see we are outside. It's a bit drizzling, but we don't care. This is one part of the garden. As you can see, the parking is up there. Yes, parking area is up there. So we are going to go from here into the house to show you how it is. And when you go down there, you go down to the garden. So from here, this is the door. This is how it looks like. From here we're going to go inside. As you enter the house, this is how it is. We have this space here with a table where you can put your keys, and also a dining area. But let me show you the living room first. This is the living room. As you can see, it's fully equipped. This house is fully furnished with everything that you need to make your life comfortable here in Kigali. So this is the living room. As you can see, it has a nice couches, and on this side we have a TV stand with a nice TV, and also a nice table where you can put few things to use. And we have big windows that brings in enough natural light. And this is how it is from here. From the living room we have this big balcony here. We have a nice seat where you can sit with your families, your family or your friends, or someone who come to visit you. You can sit here and enjoy your time together. And down here we have a nice garden which is quite big. As you can see, you can enjoy your view, the view of Kigali from here, from all the way the area. It's a bit drizzling, that's why you can see the view very well, but the place is very, very beautiful. And it's easy to access, because it's just right next to the main road. As you can see, we have road down there, and we have another main road on this side. So this is how it is. This is the gardening. This is the garden. As you can see, it's quite big. If you have a family with kids, they can be playing in the in the garden and all of that. So you can see you have the nice view of the Kigali. As you can see, over there is the downtown, and here is another neighborhood of Kigali. It's quite easy to access other parts of Kigali. So from here I showed you the living room. So let me show you the kitchen and other part of the house. So on this side we have a dining area, which is this one, as you can see, with a nice chandelier on the top. This is how it is, you know, with 8 seats, as you can see, and it's quite big for your family. And here we have a kitchen. As you can see, this is the kitchen, which is fully equipped with your stove here, a sink to wash your dishes from, a kettle. We also have a dishwasher on this side. As you can see, we have a washing machine here. You know, this house is fully equipped, and here we have, you know, everything you need. We have a full here on this side, and we have a microwave. We also have big fridge for, you know, for a big family. As you can see, we have enough cabinets for you to store different things. Yes, I mean, it's fully equipped with everything you need in your house. As you can see, it's quite nice. So this is how the house is, and on this side we have where you can store some unperishable goods on this side. So this is how it is. We have dishes, every equipment you need, we have them here. So this is how it is. So let me show you other side. Like here is another small balcony outside where you can sit, enjoy your time, and we have outside bathrooms for your housekeeper or someone who is keeping the house. So this is how this part looks like. From the kitchen we are going to go to the first bedroom on this floor. On this side we have the first bedroom, but we also have guest bathroom on this side. As you can see, this can be used as a guest bathroom. If someone is here and they're not staying here, they can use this bathroom. We have a nice sink on this side, and a mirror here with a cabinet on this side, as you can see, with a nice light on the top. And also we have a toilet here. As you can see, it's quite nice. From here we have the first bedroom, which is this one. As you can see, it's quite nice and big. As you can see, this is how it is. This is the bed. We have a small table here, and we also have a vanity table on this side with a mirror, and another table here. We also have a balcony. As you can see, we have a nice balcony. Every room here has its own balcony. That's the thing you have to know. And we also have a balcony of the living room. This is how it is. This is how the balcony is. You know, as I've been telling you, it's in one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Kigali, as you can see, which is Rebero. So this is how it is, and this is what $1,500 per month gets you in Kigali. Let me show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. On this side we have a shower cubicle where you can take a shower, and we have 2 shower heads on this side. We have a toilet seat. We have a sink here, a nice one, with some cabinets here where you can put some toiletries, and the mirror, of course, which can be used as, you know, a cabinet too. So this is how it is. So let's go upstairs and I'll show you the remaining 2 bedrooms. So on this side we are going to show you the remaining 2 bedrooms upstairs. Let's go together. So from here, this is the master bedroom. So let me show you how the master bedroom looks like. As you go inside like this, you can see this is the bed. It's quite nice with a very nice and white bed sheet, as you can see, and the design really good. So this is how the bedroom looks like. This is the table where you can put your lamp, and here we have these that can be used as a briefcase. As you can see, it's quite nice, and it has some cabinets here, as you can see. And here we have another small table, and here we have a stool. When you can use it as you are doing your beauty here from this beautiful vanity table. So on this side we have a wardrobe, which has a quite interesting design, as you can see, and it's quite big. yeah, you can hang some clothes here. You can put folded one here. As you can see, it's quite big. And yeah, this is how the master bedroom looks like. It has a balcony. Yeah, see, this is the balcony, and you can have a nice view of the neighborhood. You know, you can see the whole Kigali. Over there is the downtown. See, this is the neighborhood, and you have a nice garden downstairs. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is the balcony. You know, it's quite nice, and you can see the whole Kigali, right? So let me show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, it's quite nice. This is the sink, and it has water, of course. As you can see, it has water. And here is the cabinet where you can put your toiletries and all of that. This is a toilet seat with a dustbin on this side. You know, you can put a hand towel here, and we have a nice mirror on this side with some cabinets, and you can put another towel on this side. And this is where you take a shower. This is a shower cubicle, as you can see, and this is, you know, the rain shower head, and this hand shower head. You can hold this one with your hands. You know, this is how it is. So this is the bathroom. Let me show you the other bedroom. So let me show you the second bedroom here upstairs. So from here you can see we have the second bedroom. When you are going inside, this is how the bedroom is. So we have a bed here with a mattress. It's fully equipped. We have this beautiful table lamp on this side, and we have this beautiful vanity table, as you can see from here, and a mirror here on this side. And we also have another table lamp on this side. And from here we have a nice balcony outside, but it's drizzling, so you know, we are not going outside, but this is how it looks like. It's quite nice. Let me close the door. Yeah, so let me show you the bathroom on this bedroom. So here we have a very big wardrobe, as you can see, like this one. It's quite big, and you know, has enough storage space where you can put clothes and, you know, your stuff when you're staying in this bedroom. So here we have a bathroom. As you can see, this is how it is. We have a sink here with water. We have a nice mirror on this side, and where you can put some toiletries, and a nice cabinet here, as you can see. And yeah, we have where you can hang your towel on this side, and this is a cubicle where you can take a shower. We have two shower heads, like this one and also that one. As you can see, it's quite nice. So you know, this is how the house is. If you are interested, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to show you what's in the cave, because as I told you, we also have a cave space down here. So we go down like this, and this is the cave. This is where the cave is, as you can see. Yeah, which is very, very spacious. This is where you can, you know, use as a family lounge. You can use this one as a cinema place or a gym, you know, anything you want. You can even just sit here and relax by yourself. And also from here we go outside in the garden. As you can see, this is the garden, which is quite big. See, it's very big. And also on that side you can grow some vegetables and all of that. And you know, we have a big door that opens up, you know, so that you can have a view of the place. You can use this cave as a gym or a family lounge or somewhere to relax from. As you can see, it's quite big and enough for your family. You know, this is how it is. You know, it's quite nice, very quiet, and you can relax from here. And also we have another storage small room here. As you can see, like here you can put some suitcases here and it will be good. So this is how it is, and let me know what you think about this video.